So how to rank and launch your product on Amazon in 2019. If you guys are selling on Amazon and you want to rank your product, make sure you watch this all the way through because it is 2019 and things have changed. Amazon does change things from time to time, and as sellers, we just have to adjust and react accordingly. So I'm going to show you guys a method that I've been using for many years now. I've been selling on Amazon for over 7 years, and I've been using this all along. So many of my products I've used and launched this way, and dozens of products, not with launch services. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to do that. So launching your products has significantly changed, like I said, and we used to be able to throw hundreds of deeply discounted sales in Amazon, and over a week, 7 days, 8 days, our products would rank. We have to change how we do that now because those deeply discounted sales trigger Amazon and they could jeopardize your account. So we definitely do not want to be doing that. And how I speak about on this channel and in the Amazon Fastlane course to my students, I really want you guys to be on Amazon for the long term. Think of this as a brand and much bigger than just quick tricks and hacks that everyone is teaching you guys to do. Those are ways to really get your account suspended, and you just want to play with Amazon properly, and if you guys do, you'll have no problem and you'll be able to continue to grow your brand the right way. So make sure you watch the whole way through, and by doing this, guys, we do not have to give away hundreds of units at deep discounts, which really on new products and even for beginners hurts a lot of people because giving away all these products can really put you guys in the negative. And even though you might need to spend a little bit on the method that I'm going to be showing you guys, it's not going to be as heavily a heavy loss as opposed to giveaways. So we don't have to stress, like I said, about the latest rank trick or hacks. We don't have to worry about Amazon suspending us, like I said. So the key in 2019 and beyond is having an amazing product that offers great real value. So that is the key, and that's what I've been speaking about for the longest time on this channel and in my course, the Amazon Fastlane. And you really have to make a product that has real value. You cannot go on Amazon and you can't just copy and paste the product of Alibaba or have your product look like all the rest, because that's just a recipe for disaster. You want to you have your product stand out. You want to have your customer see your product on the page with all the rest and want your product. So that is the key in 2019 and beyond, and that's what I've been speaking about on my channel for the longest time. So mixed with the launch strategy that I'm going to show you guys in this video, it will rank you steadily and much more profitably than giving away your inventory at a deep discount, which is no longer really a valid method. So this is how I've been launching dozens of my own products and for years, and it has worked like a charm. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So it involves Amazon PPC. If you don't know, that's Amazon pay-per-click. And what we're going to do is our main goal is to get our product ranked onto page 1 for the most important, highest volume keywords. So this is almost simulating what a launch service would have done for us, but instead we're doing this ourselves and with pay-per-click. And pay-per-click is 100% within terms of service. Amazon wants you to do this. Jeff Bezos loves if you use his pay-per-click platform because you're giving him money, you're paying him. He's ranking your products, and it's all working with the algorithm. You're not doing anything black hat. You're not doing any crazy tactics. It's all really playing the right way, which will keep you guys 100% within terms of service, not get your account suspended. And in my opinion, this is a much better way than doing launches because, like I said, as a beginner or even as an intermediate, or if you've been selling on Amazon for a little bit, a few months, a year, it's much easier to do PPC than just give away all your inventory and go that far in the negative. And it will also help you rank for much more keywords rather than just ranking for one keyword and it falling off and not being able to recoup the rank. So this is a much better way to do this, in my opinion. And I've been selling on Amazon for quite a bit of time now, 7-8 years. So this is coming from somebody who has experience. So I want to show you guys how to do this. To do this, we use PPC, exact phrase, and auto match campaigns. And we put and this is what we're going to do. We're going to force our products to the top with sponsored PPC campaigns and bid above all the other competitors. And what we're going to do is find and mine these important keywords. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that with Keyword Scout by Jungle Scout. I've been using this for a long time, and it works really, really well. And it shows you guys the best keywords that you need to find and put in your listing, throughout your listing, in your listing title, and everything else, stuff that I go over in the Amazon Fastlane course. And you must have an optimized listing, like I just said. You need to have this all to work, because if you don't have the right keywords in your listing is going to get up to the page and it's just going to fall off. If you have the right keywords in your listing, it's going to give it the proper juice to really just rank for a breadth of keywords rather than just one keyword. So in order to do this, I'm going to show you guys how to do this with Keyword Scout and how to really find the best keyword to really perform this strategy on. So what I recommend is using the early reviewers program. This is by Amazon 100% in terms of service, and that'll get you up to your first 5 reviews. You need to have this running, and that'll really help get those first few reviews, get some social proof on your listing. After that, it's going to be a little bit easier to run pay-per-click. Your sales are going to start to pick up because you have some more reviews, and once you have 10 or above, it's really not going to matter so much. As long as you have a good product, it's differentiated well, and everything else, you're really going to find that it gets a lot easier as you go on. Here's what we want to do. We want to set up pay-per-click campaigns, and we're going to set up 9 pay-per-click campaigns. And if you think that's a lot, don't worry. We're just spreading out the keywords among different campaigns, and it's going to help really help with the Amazon algorithm and Amazon's artificial intelligence to really just find the right keywords. And for the first 2 campaigns, which I'm going to show you, those are really going to be the crux of what we're doing here and how we're going to launch. So campaign 1 and 2 are going to be both exact match campaigns with your highest volume keywords. So instead of paying a launch service $300, $400, $500 to launch your product, we're going to take that money instead and we're going to put it into pay-per-click and have pay-per-click and Amazon advertising rank our products. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take coffee grinder, which is the main keyword for this product if you're ranking for it. We're going to come to Keyword Scout and we're going to go into and search for this keyword. And what we're going to do is we're going to find all the relevant keywords for this particular product, which is coffee grinder. And we see that coffee grinder has 164,000 search volume per month. And the exact bid for this is $1.30. So if we were to bid $1.90 for this, which I'm going to show you guys how to do, we would be ranking #1 for this product through sponsored ads, which is going to put us the top of the page. So if we get enough sales through there, we eventually will rank for this keyword and for all the other keywords we want to rank for. So what we're going to do is we're going to have one exact match campaign with one keyword at $50 to $100 per day. So that would be our main keyword. We're going to come in here, and how we're going to name this is we're just going to say, let's just say coffee grinder, and then we're going to put exact, and then we can put PPC rank, just so we know what this campaign is for. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do start date, and then we can put no end date. And then for the daily budget, we're going to do $50 to $100 a day, and it's going to be manual targeting because we're going to select the keyword we're going to put in there. And then for the ad group name, it could be the same thing as what we just put here, so we could just copy and paste it down here. And for the daily, for the bid, what we're going to do is we're going to do $1.90 for this particular keyword, because again, guys, this keyword we want to rank for. So if we put in $1.90, we're going to be ranking and bidding above all the other ones. As we saw, $1.30 was the winning bid for this. So if we put over that, we're going to guarantee ourselves ranked on that first page. So we're going to do dynamic bid up and down because we really want to make sure we are ranking for this particular keyword. For the default bid, we're going to put $1.95 because we really want to be ranking for this keyword. It is a little high, but again, guys, we want to be ranking for this keyword. And instead of launch service doing this, we are going to be doing this and facilitating this on our own through pay-per-click. So this is what we're going to do, and we're going to enter keywords, and then we're going to go to an exact match. And what we're going to do here is put in the keyword coffee grinder. So we'll just take out the rest here. And in this campaign, this is going to be one single keyword, which we're going to blast with bid and budget for this one keyword. And let's just go take a look if there's any other ones. So spice grinder is another one that has a high volume, but really the main one for this is coffee grinder. That's what we want to rank for and start to get sales for. For the keyword coffee grinder, that keyword string. So that should rank us on the first page within 1, 2, 3 weeks. So all we would do is launch this campaign, and then we would go on to the next one. So the next one is going to be an exact match with the top 5 keywords from $50 to $100 per day. And all we do here is we're going to go over here, and we're going to take the top 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So bar grinder, manual coffee grinder, bar coffee grinder, spice grinder, and coffee grinder. These are the most important keywords. And if you're ranking for these, you're going to be maximizing your sales. You're going to be making a lot of sales through these keywords. So in the next campaign, we want to be targeting these keywords. So in the next campaign, we're going to do the exact same thing. So in this one, we're going to do the top 5 main most important keywords. So we're going to go exact PPC rank top 5. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down here same thing as the daily budget, $50 to $100 per day. Again, guys, we want to be aggressive with this. We're putting out a brand new product. We want to get traction. We want to get sales. We want to get sales for this keyword. We want to get page interactions. These are all signals that's going to tell Amazon to rank our product and that we are relevant for this. So we're going to do manual targeting, dynamic bid up and down. And for this one, same bid, $1.95. We want to bid the maximum we can. Keyword targeting, and then this one, we're going to do exact match again. And then instead, we're going to take the top 5. We're going to put them in here. So the third campaign is going to be a phrase match with the top 25 keywords. So the same exact thing. And the only difference is we're going to put this as a phrase match campaign. And we're going to take the top 25 keywords and we're going to paste them in here. We could just download an Excel spreadsheet of the keywords from Keyword Scout. All you have to do is go over here and you would just press export as CSV. You take the top 25 and put them in here. And what this is going to do is this is going to be a more of a profitable campaign, and this is going to help you rank for a much broader amount of keywords, and it's really going to start to get the ball rolling and the traction for your product. So the fourth campaign is a broad match for the top 100 keywords. And again, guys, we would come in here and we would do broad match. So right here, broad match. Take the top 100 keywords, paste them in here, and launch that campaign. And for the broad match, guys, we want to take the first 100. We don't want to put over 100, or otherwise Amazon's algorithm will not really show your PPC campaign the proper way. So anything above, I would say, 500 searches per month we want to go for. Anything below that, it's not really enough to put into a campaign. Same thing, guys, 100 keywords in here, broad match, and we would launch that. And then for the next one is going to be, for the fifth campaign, is going to be a broad match for the suggested keywords at $30 per day. And what we're going to do here is same thing, broad match, but we're going to go suggested. And this is basically from Amazon, and they're suggesting you the keyword. So we're going to add all those in the campaign at broad match, and you're going to do the suggested bid they're suggesting, and just bid a little bit over, maybe a few cents for what they're saying. And this campaign can be really profitable at finding you great keywords. And their algorithm is going to find longer tail keywords, shorter tail keywords that your product is does really well for, and that converts well, and that is making a lot of sales for. And this can find you really profitable keywords under your A cost, and that is really making you profitable sales. These are campaigns that we've always had running. So that is the fifth campaign, and for the sixth through ninth campaign, these are all automatic campaigns. The reason being we're putting a few of them out is because we want Amazon to Amazon's algorithm to give us feedback on what keywords they are finding for us. And the reason for putting out a few campaigns, 4 campaigns, is because some of them might not be doing as good as others. And for the ones that aren't doing good, you just get rid of them and you pause them. And the ones that are under your A cost, the ones that are performing well, you just want to give some more money to. And that's why we do $10 per day, because anything more than that, we're just testing at this point. So $10 per day, and at that selected bid and budget, we want to do an automatic campaign. Very simple. We just press automatic campaign, $10 day budget, and launch 4 of those. And we're just going to monitor those, and all of this together is going to help our product rank. So this really gets around you having to use a launch service. And the really main key about this whole thing, guys, is campaign 1 and 2 are our exact match keywords that we found through Keyword Scout and Jungle Scout. And what we could do, guys, another thing that is really really helpful to do, we can find our top performing product in our niche. So for this coffee grinder, we could see it's got 5,000 reviews. It is selling really well. So what we're going to do is take the ASIN for this, which is down at the bottom, and we're going to copy this and go into Keyword Scout. And what it's going to do is going to perform a reverse ASIN, and we could find the keywords that this is ranking for. So if there are any keywords that we didn't pick up on, we're going to find them here. So anything that they're ranking for, we are going to find. So as we can see, it came up with pretty much the same keywords, coffee grinder. It has the same ones. You can see I have still checked off. AeroPress is just a name brand. You don't have to worry about that. Coffee bean grinder. These are all great keywords. I would also look at this as well. This is what I've been doing. This is what I show my students in the Amazon Fastlane course, which is linked below. If you guys are interested, it includes my mentorship for a limited time. I will be taking that away very soon, as everyone needs my attention. So this is the main goal, guys. This is basically it. In 2019, this is how we are going to launch our products using pay-per-click. This is really a golden strategy, and one that is tried and true and tested, and it will help you get your products to the top of the page and will rank your products. And I really want to hear how you guys are doing with this. If you guys are having success, leave it in the comments below. I want to see how you guys are doing with this, and just hear about your success with this strategy. So by getting sales for 1 to 2 weeks, Amazon will boost your rank, which will then translate into more sales, more organic rank. Again, you're spreading your product rank for more keywords rather than just one keyword like a launch service would have done, gathering all the sales volume from all these keywords, lifting us up and growing stably and more profitably in the long run to really help you guys with your brand and to really grow profitably on Amazon. So the first 2 campaigns are for heavy ranking and aggressive bidding to drive sales and keyword rank, and sometimes break even and unprofitable, but you have to do that. This is a business, and we're putting a new product on Amazon. It's going to have no traction. You have to go and spend some money to get things moving. Otherwise, we would have been putting the same dollars into a launch service and going way in the negative, giving products away. So this is why it's much better to do it this way, in my opinion, for beginners, intermediates, and even experts, because you don't have to really go in the red. You don't have to take such a hard hit on your inventory, and you could do this much more stably. And Amazon loves it because you're using their platform for pay-per-click. So this is the best launch strategy and rank strategy in 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment below with your results and if you had success with it. If you guys are interested in a step-by-step blueprint to making 6 and 7 figures online through Amazon, the Amazon Fastlane course is linked down below, and it includes my mentorship for a limited time. So go ahead and check that out. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this about passive income, living the laptop lifestyle, and growing brands on Amazon. So give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.